Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And we're starting the video today at the car wash. My car is completely disgusting. I had a truck day yesterday. Let me try and show that to you guys. Here it is, Driving Days Club. One of the best truck days I've ever attended at Estoril. You can see my wiper goes through here. And the car is looking absolutely disgusting. So I had a track day after 4 p.m. The track day was under intense rain. I'm not gonna say that I dislike it because actually I loved it. Who doesn't love a good set of wet laps? And now the car went to the mechanic to see if everything was all right, check the fluids, check everything. Everything is okay. So now quick wash so we can remove the top so I can go and take care of all of the upholstery, put a new headline. Mechanics okay, upholstery will be okay, and after that a small detail and store the car so we can finally put it up for sale. It's properly up for sale now instead of being just a neglected car. But the video is not actually about the Lotus, it's just because, well, every car guy loves a good car wash, so why not start the video here. We are going to a mechanic here in close to Porto where I take care of my cars when they need a remap and stuff like that. There's an abandoned car there. It actually belongs to me. The car's been left abandoned now by the past 6 to 8 months, and might be time to do something about it. So let's go and check out that car. But prior to that, please remember this and don't skip it. This video is sponsored by Car Vertical. Car Vertical is a very good sponsor to the channel. Car Vertical stayed with the channel in this transition from Portuguese to English. So thank you, Car Vertical. If you don't know Car Vertical is an online service where you can check your car's history through its VIN. You can either check it on the computer, on the internet, or you can check it via their mobile app. So I'm gonna show you guys how a Car Vertical report is. You can use my coupon Genesio to have 10% off and support the channel. Click the link in the description below. And as you can see, this is a report from Car Vertical. This is a Honda CHR or RV. The SUV from Honda, and it has been crashed. Immediately Car Vertical shows you the pictures of the crash, and if you go through the details you can see more pictures, you can see the timeline of the car, you can see if there has been any mileage fraud, you can see if it's wanted for theft. It's a very good tool for you to check when you want to buy a car and if you want to know the history of your car prior to you being the owner. So don't forget, 10% discount off if you use my coupon Genesio, and it supports the channel. It's very important to me. Let's get back to washing the Lotus. I'm going to show you kind of clean now. I'm not good at this car wash thing. I'm not good at anything actually. And after that, let's go check out that abandoned car. Yep. Looking terrible. Needs a proper wash for sure. But the car is fantastic. It did tons of laps, everything was okay, no oil consumption, all the fluids checked out now, no noises, nothing got loose, perfect. Hey. So a quick rinse, and basically after that almost everything is off. I'll take it to the detailer afterwards to get it properly washed. That's it. Don't be a pussy hole. Go drive your cars on the wet. So we have a Shitbox Club keychain. We have a M Stripes keychain. We have a shitty key. We all know what this means. E36. Shitbox Appreciation Society. Petrol Art. Whatever this is. I don't even remember. This is coming out. It's still out. The hood and the front bumper supported by zip ties. Wow, I've missed this car a lot. Will it unlock? Was it unlocked already? The car is unlocked. So my stripped out E36, oh, the light is shit.
Fuck, man. Look at this shit.
Hey, Skid Marquez, Formula 1 engineer.
Almost.
Yeah, almost.
Look at the world is.
Yeah, so you know, These were, you can see by the way that they rusted out that they are brand new rotors. They were like barely used, brand new pads, brand new tires, and nothing happened afterwards. So let's just
Man, no problem. 3 hard brakes and it's
and it's off.
all new.
Let's just introduce this car, shall we? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and this is a quick video, like more of an update to some of my previous Portuguese followers, because they all know this car, and something to introduce to you guys who are new to the channel. This is my, I was gonna say brand new, imagine. This is my BMW E36. I wish it was an M3, but it's actually a 320i. We can show you guys that. And I bought this car in the beginning of the year 2023 in February to make it a track tool project, and as you can see, it's like year left to die in the back of a local workshop that I used to remap cars, do service and maintenance, and etc. I just want to show you guys how the car is right now, give you a quick update, what happened to the car, because this was a fun car, and what shall we do with it now, because it's completely forgotten. So let's check out the car. Bought this car with the intent of it being a track tool. We never took the car out of a track. I bought the brand new semi-slicks, I fixed up the wheels, brand new rotors, brand new pads. We tried out the car on some B roads, and there were no track days at the time when I bought the car. We were waiting for track day for the season to start. You can see we had duct tape here. Yeah, the car was completely ruined. We had duct tape. The door doesn't open. And so to entertain ourselves, we modded the car. Chassis is not bent, chassis is still at least until February, March, April. I don't know when the car kind of exploded. But the car had like no rust and no cracks on the chassis. Ooh, the sound. I'm not sure if you can properly get the sound, but so we have a stripped out interior, you can see it here. We did this for my Patreon page. My Patreon page right now, we just released Portuguese videos. So if you want to help the channel and you're not Portuguese, you will not understand the Patreon videos. But you can subscribe to my Instagram, like OnlyFans. I don't show my winner, but you can see like cool pictures of this. So stripped out interior, we did this on the workshop of a friend of mine. No back seats, we kept the passenger seat so I can take friends around on track. And in the front, the glove box fell off, all these cables ended up exposed. I'm trying to show like I'm a professional, but I'm not. This is just a joke in case you are not understanding it. That's why I'm showing the car like this. And I removed the cover on the gear knob, and now it looks like I have a short shifter, but it's still the original one. And it's actually pretty good for BMWs. This one used to come out, but I used, we call it glue for glass. Cool steering wheel with horn in the middle. Let's see if the car still has battery. So what happened to this car? We took the car for a couple test drives with everything set it up with the proper tires, and I got new rotors and pads. And we went to wear them in, and the car started to go very close to the red line on the water temperature gauge. And I brought the car back, we went around the radiator, we activated the fan independently with a switch somewhere around here, I don't know. And everything was looking positive, like the car was gonna make it to the track day. It was not overheating anymore. And it exploded on the highway, so I got stranded, called for a tow truck, went back home, picked up the Lotus, went to the track day, and I got like so sad with that happening to the car. Oh, lights came on. You think it has power to
All of
start?
a sudden, with a blown engine.
Who cares? It has no power to start. So the engine blew up, and I got like I don't know the proper term for it. It's not like depressed, but I was making some cool content with the car. I was hyped up to the mods to test it out, see how fast the car could go around Estoril on basically everything stock, just with good braided lines, rotors and pads, so we didn't crash against anyone. More of a safety to the others and to me, because I don't mind crashing. I have a helmet, I'll bump the steering wheel, and that's it. But people weren't like paying attention anymore to the content of the E36, so I kind of gave up on the car. Here it says I'm gay, and with a sun draw and a flower. Whew, still works. So 320i engine, so it's from registration it is a 6-cylinder engine, which is something kind of important here in Portugal. And I was very happy with the car, and it's an E36. You can do like countless mods to it. You can take it to such extreme levels, like you guys see it on the Nürburgring. Well, we just did dumb stuff with it. Nothing to hurt the car, but stupid stuff, drift stuff, bumping into each other stuff, bumper to bumper action. And the car ended up like this and ended up abandoned. So I don't know what to do with the car now. Maybe I'll just sell it, because I'm looking to sell the Lotus, buy a new sports car, supercar, my first supercar probably. I already have for my Patreon page a Golf GTI that I'm kind of restoring. And I'm not sure how YouTube would handle a second project, because if it's something that will make 1 or 2 videos about it, and after that people lose interest, I can do cooler stuff with the money, because even if it's a cheap project car, we'll spend thousands of euros in the engine, thousands of euros in mods, and I can use that money to travel, to do more dumb stuff, to buy cars just to wreck them, I can use that money to visit different countries, go to Goodwood, go to tons and tons of events outside. So we can basically invest the money wisely in something else. I already have bucket seats, I have a couple more mods at house, better brakes, but I ended up never installing them because the car exploded. And so it's a cool car. It's cool to stand on it. It has a sunroof, but it's glued to the roof, so it doesn't work. And well, I'm not sure. What do you guys want to see with this car? If you guys want me to restore it, I can just sell it, buy something else. Maybe we can bring this car back to life. Let me know. This was a quick update for YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you on the next video. I have different videos to upload, car reviews, a cool concept about driving on track that I want to make like Top Gear from Wish. Since I was already here doing stuff with the Golf GTI, I thought like, let's give them a proper feedback on how the E36 is, because some people actually still wonder about the E36, not as much as I would like, but some people cared and liked the project. So here it is, on brand new tires, brand new rotors, brand new pads, and an exploded engine. He never set a lap time. The car never set a single lap time on a track, which is the thing he was supposed to do. Maybe it's time to bring it back to life. Let me know. Bye.